Can I really get rid of my puffy eyes using just cucumbers? That's what I'm trying today. Because honestly, I woke up, looked in the mirror, and my under eyes were screaming. I didn't rest. And if you have ever had puffy eyes, you know exactly what I mean. It's not just about appearance, it makes you feel tired, drained, and older than you actually are. So today I'm talking about the most popular natural skincare hacks, cucumber for puffy eyes. Let's see if it actually works or it's just another internet myth. So do you have puffy eyes? Puffy eyes can embarrass you. You just wear makeup, go out and your eyes are just puffy and it makes you look tired, it makes you look sick. Today I'm showing you how to get rid of that puffy eyes on your face. But first of all, why puffy eyes happen? Puffy eyes are something almost everyone experiences at some point, and the causes they are more common than you think. Lack of sleep or poor sleep quality. If you are not having good amount of sleep, then your eyes will be puffy. If you don't sleep well or your quality of sleep is not good, you don't have enough sleep and rest, then you tend to have puffy eyes. Another thing is excess salt in your diet. If you are the one that consume a lot of salt in your food, please reduce it. It can also cause puffy eyes. Too much salt in general is not even good for your health, so reduce it to get rid of puffy eyes. Allergies or sinus issues. At times some people have allergies to certain things. If you see them scratching their eyes, so it makes the place to be puffy. Stress and fatigue. When you are tired, you have been going through a lot and you are just stressed, it can also cause puffy eyes. Even dehydration. When you are dehydrated, you don't take a lot of water, it can also cause puffy eyes. So there are a lot of things that causes them. It's not only one thing. So at times you wonder, I've been having good rest, I've been sleeping well, what's causing it? I've been drinking a lot of water. It might be fatigue, it might be allergies, you don't even know. When you are dehydrated, it can cause puffy eyes. What happens is that fluid builds up under the eyes, making them look swollen, tired, and sometimes even slightly darkened. Yes, so the puffy eyes is as a result of fluid that is built up under the eyes. And to be honest, no concealer will fully hide that puffy eyes that you have. So the real question is, can something as simple as cucumber actually help? Now, why cucumber? Cucumbers might look simple, but they are actually powerful when it comes to skincare. Here is why people swear by them. High water content, about 95% of cucumber is water. This means deep hydration for tired, dry under eye skin. 2. Cooling effect. When chilled, cucumber helps constrict blood vessels, which reduce swelling and puffiness almost instantly. That's why you see people keeping cucumber in the fridge and using it later, because when it's chilled and cold, it reduces puffiness. 3. Anti-inflammatory properties. It helps calm irritated skin and reduce swelling around the eyes. So cucumber have anti-inflammatory properties. 4. Antioxidants like vitamin C and caffeic acid. So cucumber also have vitamin C and caffeic acid. This helps soothe skin and reduce fluid retention. So all the fluids that are retained under the eyes, it will soothe them and reduce them and even stop them from forming under the eye. So basically, cucumber works as a natural cold compress plus hydrating mask in one. So now, how to use cucumber for puffy eyes? Alright, let's get into the actual routine. This is very simple. You don't need any expensive skincare product. Yes, cucumber is affordable. You don't need to go and break your bank buying expensive skincare product. Step 1, chill your cucumber. Take a fresh cucumber and place it in the fridge for about 30 minutes to 1 hour. The cooler it is, the better the soothing effect. So you take your cucumber, put it in the fridge for about 1 hour. Some people allow it to block to become ice before they use it, or you can make it very cool before you use it. Step 2 is you slice it. Cut 2 medium slices. Make sure they are thick enough to cover your under eye. Step 3, get comfortable. You can lie down somewhere calm. This is your mini self-care moment. Yes, place one slice under each eye. Under each eye, you place a slice under each eye. Then relax for 10 to 15 minutes. Leave it on for about 10 to 15 minutes. So during this time, close your eyes, breathe deeply, let the cooling sensation work. You might even feel a slight tightening effect. That's normal. Step 5, remove and gently massage. When you remove the cucumber, massage the area, massage it gently, massage it. Use your ring finger to massage the area gently under your eyes. This helps improve blood flow and reduce any remaining puffiness. What result to expect? So what happens after applying the cucumber? What are you going to expect? Most people instantly notice less swelling, brighter on the eyes, a more awake and refreshed look, cooler, calmer skin. It's not magic, but it gives a noticeable quick fix. So this works perfectly and instantly. Yes. Especially in the morning when the puffiness is at its worst. Think of it as a natural wake-up call for your face. Yes, it reduces puffiness instantly on your face. You can wake up and do it in the morning before stepping out and your puffiness will be gone. Now, some important truths, but let's be real for a second. Cucumber is amazing for temporary puffiness relief, but it's not a permanent cure for chronic under-eye bags caused by genetics, aging, or severe lifestyle issues. So the best result is when you combine it with good sleep, less salt intake, proper hydration, consistent skincare routine. So for best result, that's what you do. If you apply cucumber today, don't leave it and say, oh, since I'm doing this, I don't need to sleep well, I don't need to stay hydrated. So you need all those things for a good and healthy under eye to reduce puffiness. So there you have it, cucumber for puffy eyes. Simple, natural, affordable, and surprisingly refreshing. Now I want to hear from you. Have you ever tried cucumber for your under eyes? Did it work for you? Drop your experience in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with someone who always wakes up with puffy eyes. See you in the next video.